Hello, read the description for all the details. Thank you.
Okay, so to create a digital sketchbook on an iPad, I recommend using either Adobe Fresco, Photoshop, Illustrator, often a little bit of Adobe Draw, but that's just if you want to add a bit more drawing elements, but they ultimately work together anyway. But I found Fresco is the best one because you can basically use it like Photoshop and Illustrator combined. So I create separate pages instead. For example, I would just, draw up whatever sketchbook page I wanted to do, and then I would simply export as a PNG, and then save image. And then I just carry on saving my pages, and then eventually they would show up obviously in your library. I would select the ones that I wanted. For example, I'll just select these three. And then I would import them to Acrobat. So obviously you need Adobe Acrobat app on your iPad as well. So obviously they're here. Sometimes the images don't show up, but if you obviously name them, so then you can simply select the ones that you want, combine the files, and then here it creates a PDF. Sometimes the bigger the file, it takes a bit longer, so you just have to be a bit patient. So then you can open it, check your PDF. Oh, there you go. So I've got it set to double spread. So you can change it obviously here, but yeah, it's quite simple. And then basically what I would do then is go onto my desktop.
So as you can see, the file is here. You can see it's a little cloud, so it's just completely transferred over and it's available anywhere basically where you log in. So you can click on it, you can edit it if you need to change a few things, but it's pretty much here. If you want to add other files, if you just want to add something, you can simply add it there. And then you can also organize pages, so if you want to just change it around, you can just simply drag it. Yes, it's pretty simple. You would then just file, save as. Make sure that you save it to your computer and not your document cloud, because that will just save it to your iPad. And then reduce file size, choose a folder, save. And it might take a while, just because if you've got a lot of pages, it does tend to take a while, but you can compress it after. And then it should be saved. Yeah, so that's basically it.